Good morning. This morning we're going to do Social Sciences, Grade 5E, Term 2, Geography. I am Rosie Miller and I represent VTA School van der Bijl Park. Today we are going to continue with Unit 3 and 4 from the previous lesson of Geography for Term 2. And please take note, this is the last 2 units for Term 2 for Geography. Where rivers begin and end. The source is a place where rivers begin and end. The river mouth is where the river flows into the sea. Rivers flow downhill. They cannot flow uphill. A tributary is a smaller river that flows into a bigger river. As you'll see on the background picture, the river starts on top of the mountain and it flows all the way down with its tributaries into the sea or a bigger river. River systems. A river system is one main river and all its tributaries. The area covered by one river and its tributaries is called the catchment area, and there is only one river system in it. Attached you'll see this is a river system, so you can just have an idea. On top we have the source of the river, then we get the tributary, we get the main river channel, watershed, and it goes and flows down from the mountain into a river. At the bottom, the mouth of the river. Unit 4. Physical features and human activities. People and rivers. Everybody needs water to live, so most of the world's cities are near rivers. People and the mountains. Most of South Africa's people live in flat areas and valleys between the mountains, coastal plain and flat areas of the plateau. Few live in mountain areas or on the escarpment. Attached is a beautiful picture for you to see how the rivers flow down the mountains. We're going to discuss the reasons why few people live in high mountain areas and why more people live in flat areas and valleys. Few people live in high mountain areas because the land is too steep, the weather is too cold, the soil not good for farming, and it's difficult to build roads. Why people live in flat areas and valleys? Flatter land for farming, the weather is warmer, bigger rivers, more space to build settlements and roads. As you can see on the picture there, they're on the river there, on a boat with a donkey or a horse, enjoying themselves in the valley. Okay, the next topic we're going to discuss is people and the coast. Reasons why people live and work near the coastal plain. Close to the sea for fishing, harbors for ships, flat land for building things, the soil is good for farming, big rivers for water and transport. How people change the land. Farmers cut down trees to make fields, dig land to make mines and quarries. Towns are cities and cities are built covering the land with buildings. Roads and railways change the land, and they build dams on rivers. Ways dams change the land. They cover a large area of farmland. They change the flow of rivers, and dams tend to increase floods. Building roads. People build roads to make transport easier. Some roads are simple sand roads and others are big motorways. All roads change the land. As you can see on the background, we have the picture of the Gariep Dam. The Gariep Dam is the largest dam in South Africa. and it is on the Garib River. Hope you enjoyed the lesson this morning, and like I say, that was our last 2 units for geography for term 2, grade 5 E's. The next lesson is going to be revision, some tips how to study, and you can get ready for your examination. Attached you find the links where you can go and search and follow us and see for your work and study work on YouTube, Facebook, school website, telephone numbers, or you can email us on the attached email address. You are welcome to contact us or phone us or drop an email for us if you need any assistance. Enjoy, be blessed.